Hi everyone, this is another tutorial on how to create plan IDs for creating a subscription in CloudPolly. CloudPolly is a text-to-speech SaaS platform and fully available, all source code is available in Codecanyon. You can find the link for the source code under description. Now let's go ahead and configure our Razorpay plan ID. Now Razorpay is a payment gateway that's mainly used in India. So let's go ahead and start configuration. So log in as an admin first. And first you'll need to enter your Razorpay public and secret keys. So if you go to the finance management, go to payment settings. Now if you want to create and make sure everything is visible in Indian rupees, you can change your currency here as well, the currency sign and all of the currency information. If we find it here, Indian rupees, and scroll down to your Paystack payment gateway. So first you'll need to enter your Razorpay key ID and Razorpay key secret. Both of them can be you can get them from your Razorpay account. And here I'm using demo test keys just for the testing purposes. And you also need to set your webhook URI with the following URI and change your domain name with the proper domain name where your script will be installed and generate a Razorpay secret key. Both of them can be created in your Razorpay account, and if you need full instruction on this, you can go ahead and visit our documentation of CloudPolly in Codecanyon. A link is in the Codecanyon, where we added also what kind of commands you need for your webhook URI. If you're not familiar with Razorpay, all the API keys and then webhook information can be obtained from the settings page. But the purpose of this demo is to create a subscription plan where your customers can pay and users can pay by using Razorpay Gateway. So first of all, after setting all this information, make sure that you enable Razorpay subscription. And if you have some prepaid plans, you can also enable use Razorpay prepaid so that these payment gateways will be visible upon checkout. Now go ahead and click save. So once all the settings are saved, go to under finance management, go to subscription plans. Here you'll create your first subscription plan. So click on create new subscription plan. And again, for prepaid packages, you don't need any kind of plan IDs, etc. You can create them as it is, set the proper currency which is supported in your Razorpay account, and that's it. So let's give some demo naming. I'm not familiar with with rupees in terms of what kind of currency it would be. Let's just make, I don't know, 1000 rupee. And currently you can create subscription plans mainly for 1 month. In the future updates, we'll create a option to create plans that are built on a yearly basis. That's where you have to include your Razorpay plan ID. Now we also have tutorials on how to create Stripe product ID, how to create Paystack plan code, and PayPal IDs. You might want to check them out if you are planning to use those plans as well. Just make sure that if you are including all of them, all of the payment plan IDs in for one subscription plan, make sure that they all support the same currencies that you set here. So yeah, as a demo, I don't know, let's give some 100,000 characters. Again, this is a demo. Since I'm not familiar with currency, you might have better understanding what with the price plan and price versus character ratio. Give some meaningful headings, and these headings will be available in the pricing page. Some feature information in terms of whatever you might be, whatever you might set. You might refer to our demo page as well if you need some understanding on this. So before we click save, let's go ahead and create a Razorpay plan ID first. Now this is my Razorpay account. As you can see, I'm in the test mode. Let's go to our subscription page. And within subscriptions page, you need to click on plans. So first you'll need to create the plan. Now, earlier we gave a plan name entry. You can put optional description if you want. It's charged on a monthly basis, and billing amount is, let's make it out 1000. There's no need to put additional notes unless if you want. And click on create plan. As I said, in the future we'll also create a billing support yearly subscriptions, which means you can select 1 year and then create a yearly plans. And that's it. So we have our plan created, which is entry plan. This is the plan ID. You can click on it. It will pop up the same box here. So that's what you need to copy. I'll just go ahead and copy it from here. So don't confuse the entry name with the plan. So I think I created one before, but you can ignore this. That's what you need to put in Razorpay Plan ID, and that's it. Now go ahead and save. Actually, click create. As you can see, the entry plan is created. You can name it whatever you want, put whatever pricing, and include appropriate characters that will be available upon purchase. Now let's go ahead and subscribe to this plan. So this is the user panel that user sees. And this is the entry plans that we set. So as you can see, the currency in Indian rupee, and it has Indian rupee basic currency sign. So you need to select your Razorpay, and you'll need to enter your Razorpay email address. The user will have to enter their email addresses that they have registered with Razorpay, include their names, and check out. This will read that. Okay, and to finish and basically do the actual payment of Razorpay, user will have to click on Pay Now. It will pop up the payment processing page of Razorpay. Now, since I don't have a valid phone number, this will not work. But in any case, you will need to set your phone number, and then just to give an example, let's go with, again, these are just random digits. And here you'll need to select your either UPI payment or card payment or whatever you enabled on your Razorpay. Again, this is as you can see, it's a test mode, and since I'm not from India, I wouldn't have any of this information. And you need this valid account number to make the valid test payment. Okay, and afterwards, after successful payment, user will have will be subscribed to the package, the entry subscription package, and it will be based. We'll have a monthly payment for the characters that you included into the package, and that's it. Thanks.